Hello, I'm Shan Sang-won Park, prosthetic urologist practicing in Seoul, South Korea. Recently, I was invited to Kyrgyzstan to attend a masterclass there about the penile prosthetics. This course was prepared by Osmonov, the urologist in the Kyrgyzstan DOC hospital, Salymbekov University, and also prepared by my dear friend and my colleague Daniel Osmonov in Kiel, Germany. We went to the DOC hospital and checked out their facilities and checked out the patients, and next day we did the Masterclass course. This course was trainees who are not just from Kyrgyzstan, they are all over the Central Asia, other countries like Kyrgyzstan or Uzbekistan. Overall, it was a great success in my eyes, and Daniel did 2 cases, I did 2 cases in live surgery, and after those courses, I went back to the conference room, and Salymbekov University gave me and Daniel as an honorary professorship of that university. So it was a great honor for me, and I was quite surprised. They wanted me to keep doing the lecturing as a visiting professor, well, in the coming days. So it seems like sexual medicine is just starting in these countries, in this area, and as a member of the APSSM, I think, and as a committee chair of the training and education of prosthetics, I think it's very important we should support urologists in this region to build up a sexual medicine society. So hopefully I could contribute more on that. And overall, it was a great joy to understand more about Kyrgyzstan and to see how the sexual medicine starts in there. And hopefully I could be there again in the coming days.